Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I am doing a red collage series is what I'm calling it. And this will be the second one that I'm working on. And if you guys would like to see the first one, I will put that on at the end screen. I'll put the playlist on there so you guys can come check it out. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. I've been having fun doing it, and what some of the stuff I want to use that I used in the other one is I'm going to keep the same theme of the fabric throughout. So I got these two kinds of fabrics, which I think are really cool together, and that's why I'm calling it the red series, because I have some red throughout. So I want to incorporate some of that. Some of my black napkins here with some gesso stamped words on it. So I got some of that. And we're just gonna start off. Oh, I also did this too. Just this is from my Cricut machine. I just did a manila folder and cut out some flowers and stuff. And I did some, this is what I used on it, the distressed texture paste of Ranger. But I think on this one, because it's cheaper, I am going to use the spackling. And it works just the same. It's way cheaper. And I just don't want to use all that one up so fast. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use that when I put down onto the stencil. And so that's what I'm going to incorporate in that. And then I just have my water and glue mixture here to add down some papers. We're going to glue down some papers first of all. And I got my little water here, and I'm just using a bigger paintbrush, just a big paintbrush to start off. So I'm going to do this in a time lapse so it doesn't take forever. And hopefully you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Okay, just to show you guys real quick, the paper I am using, I forgot to tell you, is just some watercolor paper. It is 140 pound, 300 GSM, and I just went ahead and just taped it down with some masking tape. So I'm using that, and then I will be probably using one of these background stencils too. And these will be down in my Amazon links down below if you guys want to come check them out. So I might be using some of these stencils too for the background. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I got this all dry. Let it sit overnight and get it really good and dry here. I did some crackle throughout. I really love the look of that. That's kind of fun. And then put my material down and did some, black napkin with some stamped gesso, and used a little bit of vintage photo throughout. And yeah, did some stenciling here with some of the spackling, which works great. Okay, so now I'm thinking my next move is I got my deli paper here, and I want to just rip off a little piece with the wording on it and a little bit of the gold. And I want to put a little bit here. I'm going to glue it down, and then maybe a little here. And then I want to put the word love right through here. And then take the tape off and maybe put some ink around it. Maybe some gesso thrown throughout, but yeah, so we're getting there. So if you guys are enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. And I'm going to go ahead and just continue, and I'll catch you guys up at the end here. All right, so I think I am finished, and I think it turned out really cool. So we got love. This is my love red series here, and I think it turned out pretty cool. Yeah. So like I said, I will have a playlist at the end screen, so you guys can come check out the first one that we did together. And I will have 5 of them in the series total when it's all done, and they will be in my Etsy shop as digitals. So my Etsy link will be down below each video, so come check them out. And yeah, I think they turned out super cool. I mean, you can see, I'll get better pictures too. I'll go outside. I like take pictures outside and get like really crisp, detailed pictures, and you guys can see at the end here just the different techniques and stuff. So what I did at the end is I took some of my Essentials Gold. This is like, I got this from Walmart, and this one from Walmart. And also the paper pad, the watercolor paper pad I showed you guys, that was from Walmart too. I didn't get that one on Amazon, I forgot. So those are just Walmart that I got. So this is Mars Black and just gold Essentials, and then this is Art Advantage acrylic paints and gesso. I did some watered down gesso here, and I just took it and splatted it at the end here, and I just did an abundance of it because love, you know, is splattery, and love is messy, and love can be beautiful. So I thought that was kind of a fun way to go about it. So I hope you guys found this informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.